We'll need new drawer fronts, so we're going to need to measure the width and the height for each drawer. This top one is 14.5 wide by 5.5 inches tall. The middle drawer, also 14.5 inches wide and 9 inches tall. We'll capture that information on the drawer worksheet to make it easier to know where to replace them and make it easier to order them online. FastCabinetDoors.com is my go-to place for replacement drawer fronts and cabinet doors. As you can see, they have a variety of different styles to choose from. For this example, let's try the shaker drawer fronts. There's lots of wood types to choose from, so it should match up with your veneer. Let's try maple. Next, we enter the width and the height for each of the drawers we measured. We'll add those to the cart so we can get an estimate of the cost of the drawer fronts. And we'll enter that information on the drawer worksheet.